Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting today. Please watch this video to the end. I'll be including some surprising and little known facts with each of these excellent AI tools. So let's begin. AI tool number 1, ChatGPT, introduced November the 30th, 2022 by OpenAI. Imagine having a digital assistant that's always awake, never complains, and can whip up anything from an email to a full-on marketing plan in seconds. That's ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI chatbot created by OpenAI, one of the most powerful digital marketing tools available today. Whether you're writing blog posts, brainstorming YouTube titles, crafting SEO-rich product descriptions, or replying to customer inquiries, ChatGPT helps you create high-quality content fast. It saves time, reduces burnout, and lets you focus on strategy instead of staring at a blinking cursor. But it doesn't stop there. In 2024 and 2025, ChatGPT has evolved even further. With the introduction of GPT-4 and now GPT 4.0, it's becoming smarter, faster, and capable of handling images, PDFs, code, voice, and more. There's even a feature called Custom GPTs, which lets you build your own AI helper for specific marketing tasks, like writing newsletters or managing social media content. Little known facts. When ChatGPT launched, it gained 1 million users in just 6 days, a record-breaking milestone that outpaced even Instagram, Netflix, and TikTok. That explosive growth caught the entire tech world off guard, and for good reason. Nothing like it ever existed before. Fast forward to today, and it's become an essential marketing tool used by agencies, entrepreneurs, and even Fortune 500 companies. So whether you're running a small business or launching a global campaign, ChatGPT is a must-have in your AI toolbox. And this is just tool number 1. Tool number 2 is Jasper AI. It was introduced in January 2021 by Dave Rogenmoser and team. Jasper AI is like your personal AI copywriter, except it doesn't need coffee breaks. Designed specifically for marketers and content creators, Jasper helps you write blog posts, ad copy, social media content, product descriptions, and even landing pages in minutes. What sets Jasper apart is that it's trained on higher converting marketing copy, so it doesn't just write, it sells. It even comes with marketing frameworks like AIDA and PAS built in, making it ideal for persuasive writing. It also includes what's known as a boss mode, which lets you give long-form instructions like write a 500-word blog about AI and marketing, and it'll handle the heavy lifting fast and fluently. A little-known facts are that Jasper was originally called Jarvis, but had to rebrand after a Marvel copyright conflict. The controversy gave the tool massive free publicity, and it quickly become one of the top AI tools for digital marketers worldwide. AI tool number 3, Grammarly Go. Introduced April 2023 as part of Grammarly's AI evolution. We all know Grammarly as a grammar checker, but Grammarly Go takes things to another level. It's an AI-powered writing assistant that doesn't just fix your grammar, it helps you rewrite full paragraphs, brainstorm content, and adjust tone instantly. From improving cold emails to polishing blog posts, Grammarly Go adapts to your goals. Need a more confident tone? More friendly? More concise? You're just one click away. It integrates seamlessly into Gmail, Google Docs, Word, and most browser-based editors. For busy digital marketers, juggling emails, sales pages, and social media calendars are a huge time saver. Little known fact, Grammarly Go was developed using generative AI from OpenAI, but blended with Grammarly's in-house language models for extra contextual accuracy, like getting the best of ChatGPT and Grammarly all rolled into one. AI tool number 4, Copy.ai. Introduced in 2020 by Paul Yakubian and Chris Liu. Copy.ai is another powerhouse when it comes to AI-generated content. Its user-friendly interface lets you create eye-converting email campaigns, product descriptions, ad copy, blogs, intros, and more in seconds. Its strength lies in templates. There are over 90 of them, including cold outreach emails, YouTube video descriptions, LinkedIn bios, and even startup value propositions. What marketers love is how easy it is to test variations. Write 5 versions of an ad? No problem. Tweak tone or audience? Instant. Little known fact, Copy.ai was one of the first major AI writing tools to go viral on Twitter. After launching with a single tweet and a product demo, they reached $2.4 million in annual recurring revenue in 18 months, and all without a sales team. AI tool number 5, Pictory. Introduced in 2021 by a team led by Vietnamese alumni. If you're into video marketing but not into filming or editing, Pictory might become your best friend. It turns long-form content, like blog posts or transcripts, into professional-looking short videos with AI-generated voiceovers, captions, and stock footage. Perfect for repurposing content, especially if you're marketing across YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Just paste in your script or URL, and Pictory will auto-generate a video to match. Little known fact, Pictory was built as a response to Vidnami being acquired by GoDaddy. The team behind Pictory wanted to recreate and improve on the popular video marketing tool, and they've done just that, with millions of views now created on their platform. AI tool number 6, Canva Magic Studio. Magic Write debuted in 2022, with Magic Studio expanding in 2023. You already know Canva, it's a great design tool, but with Magic Studio it's now become an AI design assistant too. The suite includes Magic Write, an AI text generator, Magic Design, Magic Eraser, and even AI voiceover tools, all powered by generative AI. Need a YouTube thumbnail, marketing poster, or video script? Canva helps you create everything from concept to final draft, all in one place. It's perfect for solopreneurs and small teams, since you can generate ideas, design visuals, and even animate text without leaving the app. Little known fact, Canva reached $1 billion in valuation before launching any AI features, but since introducing Magic Studio, it's grown even faster, now serving over 150 million users globally. That's more than Adobe. Last but not least, AI tool number 7, Surfer SEO. It was introduced in 2017, founded by Michael Susky and Jacek Czakowski. Let's talk about Surfer SEO, the AI tool that helps you rank on Google. Surfer analyzes the top ranking pages for any keyword and gives you a step-by-step guide to optimize your own content, including word count, headings, keyword usage, and more. It even integrates with tools like Jasper and Google Docs. So instead of guessing what Google wants, you're building your content based on real-time SEO data. Little known fact, the company was started in Poland, with the founders originally building it for internal use. It worked so well they opened it to the public, and it quickly became one of the top tools in SEO circles. I hope at least one of these tools sparks an idea for your next campaign, content plan or workflow. If so, mission accomplished. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, or please consider subscribing and share it with someone who could use a little AI marketing magic. Thanks for watching, and here's to smarter, faster, more fun digital marketing in 2025.